Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to spin our first samples in the SERO 12. Your first spin in the SERO 12. Your SERO 12 is set up, and now we're ready for our first spin. Before we can spin a cycle, we need to make sure that the centrifuge is correctly loaded. That means the samples it will spin are balanced. Like any centrifuge, the SERO 12 should always be run with a balanced load. This helps keep the lab safe and ensures the maximum lifespan for your centrifuge. First, load your samples. When loading your samples, opposing tubes must be of equal weight. So if we're loading 2 tubes, just put them across from each other. If it's 3, make a triangle, 4, a square, and so on. If you're spinning an odd number of tubes, you'll need a counterbalance tube. This should be an identical tube filled with an equivalent volume of water from the tube across from it. The counterbalance should be roughly the same weight as your filled tube. With your samples loaded and balanced, you're ready to spin. Close the lid. Next, adjust your settings. You can adjust RPM and time using the arrow buttons next to the display windows. For a more detailed guide, click the link on your screen now. In our case, we're going to run 3,400 RPM for 30 seconds. But you can run whatever settings you like. Once you're done programming, double-check your settings. Next, press the Start button. The rotor will begin to spin, accelerating until it reaches your selected RPM. It will then run for your chosen time. You can see time remaining on the time screen. Once the run is complete, the centrifuge will begin to slow down. When the rotor is fully stopped, the centrifuge will beep, and the auto pop lid will automatically pop open, allowing you to retrieve your spun samples. And that's all there is to it. If you have any other questions about your SERO 12, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.